In this lesson, we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. This is the written form and this is the graphic form. And a double crochet, and then this is the graphic, and then a treble crochet and a double treble crochet, and that's what it will look. So if you look at these are the graphics. When you look at the instructions, that's what they will look. Or if you're reading them, this is what the instruction would read. Okay, so in this lesson we're going to learn how to make a half double crochet, a double crochet, and a treble crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a half double crochet. Go ahead and take your yarn and make a loop. Put your hook through, yarn under, pull through, under and pull through, pull it, and that is your first loop. Okay, so we're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and what you're going to do next is you're going to yarn over, and we're going to start our first half double crochet, and you're going to skip, you're going to go back, I'm sorry, 2 chains. So 1, 2, on the third chain from the end, you're going to put your hook through that. You're going to yarn over, pull your loops, and you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, put your hook through that chain, yarn over, pull your loop. You have 3 loops on your chain, on your hook, I'm sorry, yarn over and pull through another half double crochet. So yarn over, next chain, put your hook through, yarn over and pull through 3 loops, yarn over, and again go through all 3, and those are your half double crochets. Okay, so here we go, 3 loops, yarn over, pull all the way through, yarn over through the bottom chain, yarn over and pull through. What really helps when you're a beginner is use your hands, use your fingers, use your index finger, this one, the middle finger, and your thumb, and hold on to your chain that you're working through. That gives you that support that you need. And then on your right hand, go ahead and use the rest. The hooks are made with a rest, and they're for that purpose. You always want the hook, part of your hook, to face you. So again, you're going to yarn over and hold your work right there, hold your chain, hold it with both fingers, and then you get 3 loops, and then yarn over and pull through. And that, like I said, that gives you that support that you need, especially when you're a beginner and you're starting. It's difficult. Hold your work, and that gives you that support you need. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do a half double crochet. So the next one that we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to do a double crochet. We're back again with our 10 chains. Remember how we did our 10 chains? We're going to do a double crochet. So go ahead and put your hook, load your yarn into your hand. And this time for a double crochet, you always skip 3 chains, okay? So you're going to do 1, 2, 3 on your 4th chain. What you're going to do is hold on to the yarn, to your work, yarn over, put it through that chain, and you have 3 loops like we did in the half double. But this time what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull to the next 2 loops. So again, you're going to yarn over, hold on to the next chain that you're working on with your middle finger and your thumb, put your hook through there, then yarn over, okay, like so. You have 3 loops on your hook, then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull to the next 2 loops. That is another double crochet. So yarn over through the chain, then you have 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull to the next 2. One more time. You're going to yarn over, 3 loops on your hook, then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. Okay, and that is a that is a double crochet. Okay, so I undid my work, and I'm back again on my 10 chains. So we're going to do a treble crochet. How do we do a treble crochet? Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to count 4 chains from the end of your hook. Okay, remember in our half double it was the 2nd chain, and our double was the 3rd chain, and for our treble you will do the 4th chain. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and you're going to count 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on your 5th hook, on your 5th chain, you're going to do a treble crochet. But what you need to do for the treble crochet is you have to yarn over twice. So you have to have 2 yarn overs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th chain you're going to put your hook through, pull it. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, that's 1, yarn over and pull through 2, that's 2, and yarn over and pull to the last 2, and that makes a treble crochet. So one more time, you're going to yarn over twice on your hook, that's 2 times. Okay, then on the next chain, remember, just hold it between your middle finger and your thumb and pull your yarn through that chain. Pull, yarn over, you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You yarn over and you're going to pull through 2 of those loops. Okay, and then you yarn over and you pull through the next 2, and you yarn over and you pull to the next 2, and that's a treble crochet. Why? Because you did it 3 times. 2 hoops, 2 hoops, 2 hoops, 1, 2, and 3, treble crochet. Okay, one more time, yarn over twice, and then go in through the chain, yarn over 4 loops on the hook, yarn through 2 loops, yarn to 2 more loops, and yarn over to 2 more loops. That's a treble crochet. And they kind of look taller. They start looking taller. You went from a half double to a double to a treble. And if you wanted to go and make a double treble, which is 4 of them, you would yarn over 3 times on your hook. Okay, 3 times. And how that would look is the same principle. You put your hook through, you yarn over, you have 4, so then you're going to go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. Actually, that's the treble crochet, but we're going to do a double treble. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. You saw that? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So every 2. So that's it. You had a treble crochet and a double treble. These mainly are used like when you're doing shawls or you're doing blankets. You can use these stitches. You don't encounter them a lot, but sometimes you do. The most common stitch is your double crochet. Your double crochet is amazing. It creates so many different things. Let me show you a couple things that it does. In our previous video, we did double crochets. You can create flowers. Let me reach over. I'm working here on a baby sweater, and all of this is done with double crochets. So your double crochet is amazing. You can do so many stitches. Crocheting is basically just looping your hook in different ways to create different images, to create different textures. So I hope that was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video. I will teach you how to make a new stitch.